Hey y'all, it's Coco here from Heart of Exploring. The other day, someone mentioned how they grew up fishing on a cane pole and they wanted to start fishing with a regular rod. So, let's get to talking. When you're first starting out, I think it's best to, focus on the catching part rather than the trying to figure out a harder reel like a bait caster or spinning reel. Because we want to get you hooked on catching the fish rather than getting aggravated trying to figure out the fishing gear. So when I was younger, one of the reels I would use is a Zebco spin cast reel. And whether you're wanting to get your kids into fishing or maybe you're just starting out, this is a great choice for beginners. I used spin cast reels for a while, and sometimes I still do use them for fun. Let me show y'all a closer look at the setup. Alright, here's the setup. Comes with a rod and reel. Real easy to use. You press one button, cast it out there, and you are ready to catch a fish. Looks like I didn't catch a fish on this one. I still got a dead worm on there. Oh man. Well, I appreciate y'all for watching. And don't forget, you're never too young or old to start fishing. So get out there and get hooked. Alright, until the next bite.